Obviously, y'all niggas like that birds video, so I might as well give y'all some more heat to listen to. Why stop now? Squad shit, watch this. These niggas talking while I'm talking, that mean that they ain't hearing me. Pull up while I pull up, that mean that they ain't fearing me. I wouldn't give a damn when ain't no car be steering me. I pull up on the side with 4 pistols, you hearing me. Talk noisy or I talk shit. Baby girl swallow, but first she spit. Let that hoe ride all on the dick. And if the bitch don't want to ride, she get put off the dick. Get off my shit. Matter of fact, I heard a lot of niggas talking shit, but they don't mean nothing to the kid. I just shine the gold. And matter of fact, you better chill, cause I'll sign your hoe. Huh. You know I'm signing foes. Niggas pull up on a nigga like he Iron Mo. Nigga, you ain't Iron Joe. Pull his iron on you and your damn hoe. I ain't from the damn folk. I'm PG'd up. I'm out the damn grove. Bobby and 300 with them 100 niggas. Probably pull up with 100 with us. Who you stunning for? Matter of fact, I start busting. Who they running for? Oh, my bad, who you running from? Boy, playing you a peeping Tom. Come and peek this gun. I put the barrel to your fucking tongue. Knock a nigga out like a fucking drum. Boom, boom, and bam, bam, then he fucking done. And then pull up, nigga, who you think I am, the done? Don't fucking run, nigga. Be quiet. Cause I got some niggas with me that'll start a ride. Coming outside or we can start it inside. Bitch, you better chill before I get in your insides. You feel me? The dollar, bro. Fully Wayne, man. Keep subscribing for more. I can do this shit all day. Black and Mild Gang, I smoke low, dro, whatever the fuck you call it. Glow up.